Greetings, everyone! Welcome back!
I have a question for you. Do you know Singapore? Singapore is a very special place. We celebrate 4 big festivals every year. And today we learn about these festivals in English. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we have 3 important words to learn. Number 1, festival, a special day of the year that is celebrated. A happy time. Say it, festival. Number 2, celebrate, to do fun activities together. We eat, we sing, we share. Say it, celebrate. Number 3, tradition, customs that we practice every year. Same thing, every year. Say tradition. Wonderful. Now are 3 phrases. Phrase 1, happy. In Singapore, we have many festivals. Chinese New Year, Hari Raya, Deepavali, Christmas. When it is a festival, we greet each other. We say, Happy Chinese New Year, 新年快乐, Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Happy Deepavali, Deepavali Nalvaazhthukkal, Merry Christmas. It may be simple, but so important. Say it with me. Happy Chinese New Year, 新年快乐. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Happy Deepavali, Deepavali Nalvaazhthukkal. Merry Christmas. Beautiful. You sound like a Singaporean. Phrase 2. What do you do for the festival? When you meet a friend during a festival, you want to know what they do. You ask, what do you do during Chinese New Year? And your friend answers, for example, we visit our family. We eat special food. We watch the fireworks. Say it with me. What do you do during Chinese New Year? Now try Hari Raya. What do you do during Hari Raya? Excellent. Phrase 3. This is our tradition. Every festival has something special, something we practice every year. We call this a tradition. We say, this is our tradition. For example, during Chinese New Year, we give out red packets and visit our families. This is our tradition. On Deepavali, we light oil lamps and have family gatherings. This is our tradition. On Hari Raya, we wear new clothes and visit our families. On Christmas, we have a feast and exchange presents. This is our tradition. Say it with me. This is our tradition. Again, this is our tradition. Wonderful! Let's put it all together. Listen first, then repeat. Dolly, today is Chinese New Year. Yes, Happy Chinese New Year. Thank you. What do you do during Chinese New Year? We visit our family and eat together. What food do you eat? We eat 鱼生. It is our tradition. That sounds delicious. Come and celebrate with us. Now your turn. Repeat after me. Happy Chinese New Year. What do you do during the festival? This is our tradition. Very good. It's quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. Your friend says today is Deepavali. What do you say? Happy Deepavali? Yes, perfect. Question 2. You want to know what your friend does during Hari Raya. What do you ask? What do you do during Hari Raya? Excellent. Question 3. Every year your family eats together during the festival. How do you describe this? This is our tradition. Wonderful! Amazing work today, everyone. Today we learned happy. What do you do during the festival? This is our tradition. Singapore celebrates 4 big festivals. And now you can talk about all of them in English. Don't forget to like, follow, and see you next time. Ta-ta!